Stall of Order.
Could you play that rewind sound effect today?
Send the intro.
The blue screen of death is a blue screen displayed by Windows when the operating system encounters a critical error and cannot recover from. This error causes the computer to shut down or restart, prevent further damage. Blue screens can be triggered by various issues, including hardware failures, driver incompatibility, software conflicts, malware, or even overheating. The blue screen acts as a safety measure, preventing potential data loss or further damage to the system by shutting it down. The blue screen of death is also referred to as a stop error, bar check, or kernel error. To have the cute low battery German. Got stuck on German? Oh, battery! Battery!
What? Low battery again? Was that Strawberry getting scared of low battery and got video every time that the battery is getting low?